Hey guys, we've got something really cool to show you today. We are unboxing Stranger Things Lego. It's a Lego set of the buyer's house and the upside down. That's pretty cool. This set is designed to be built by two people. The show is all about the power of friendship. So I've got my good friend, Mr. Sean Keane here. How you doing, Sean?
Hello, hello.
Hello, this is the 11 to my mic, the upside to my down. So it's quite a big, sizable box. This has 2,287 pieces. That's a lot of pieces. You've got a whole bunch of minifigs and stuff. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay. All right, first of all, we have another box.
A box within a box.
Another box within a box within a box. Let's move that to one side for a second. What else have we got? Instructions, very useful. We'll get to those in a second. And, okay, bag, 4 bags. Bags and bags and bags. Bags, there we go. Okay, right, that's the box. Say goodbye to the box, we'll get rid of that. Okay, here's some bags. Right, what's in this box? We've got another box.
Could there be another box within it?
Could there be another box, smaller box inside? This is more Lego. Should we keep these separate? I don't know if these, because these are like blue and black. I think these might be the upside down. Let's put them over there. They're a bit beige, so they could be the house. What's going on in this box? Right, we've got some more stuff. Okay, lots and lots of bags. Great. Get rid of that box. So this is exciting. So we're going to find out how the two sort of halves of the set join together. There's the regular house and then there's the upside down, and they join together, and we're going to see how that works when we build the thing. Should we build it?
Yes.
Let's do it. Getting our first sticker. Oh, this is stressful. This is a tense moment.
Don't worry, it's fine.
You know what, I'm going to take this off and do it this way.
Yes.
Hands are shaking. You need steady hands for this one. There is not a lot of space around this sticker. Close enough. There we go. Stranger Things. That's the name of the show. Okay, so we put it on the little display sign thing here, like this. There we go. And then you can display your Stranger Things model. And that's it. That's the Stranger Things Lego. Come back next week. Oh wait, there's another 10 bags. Oh no. Here's Mike's hair, here we go. Oh, that's some good Lego hair, that is.
Oh yeah.
That's much better. And accessories, we have some accessories now as well. There we go, Mike's flashlight and walkie-talkie. I love a Lego walkie-talkie.
They're chunky.
They are chunky, aren't they? They're proper Lego accessories. I like that. So there's the flashlight, there's the walkie-talkie, and then we can put him over here with Will and the Chief. There we go, Will, Mike and the Chief. Back together again. All right, let's build ourselves a house. Right, we've got another minifigure. It's Dustin. There he is.
Yeah, I believe the first actor cast in the show.
You don't say. There
Yeah.
you go. Wow. So he has 2 faces like the others. He has his sort of like upset, like uh-oh, I'm being attacked by a monster face, and then he has his sort of his much more familiar, cheerful face. Can't actually see the teeth situation in there, the dental situation. But yeah, that's the Dustin we know and love. Especially when on goes the hat. This is like one piece. That's an interesting sort of. That's a fairly custom unique bit of Lego, I think. There, it's hair and hat. So that's his signature hat. I think this is the coolest minifigure so far because he's also got a really cool T-shirt and a jacket. He's got that kind of cool, as well as the hat. And this is my favourite of the accessories so far. He's got a compass. He's got this little compass, just like in the show. A little see-through brick with a printed compass on it, which is pretty cool. He holds in his hand. So that's Dustin. This is the second to last minifigure. So it'll be interesting to see if the last minifigure is as interesting is because that's my favourite so far. It'll be interesting to see if the last minifigure is as cool as Dustin. Who's your favourite Stranger Things character, Sean?
I have always been a big fan of Hopper.
Hopper, definitely, absolutely. I'm a big fan of Hopper, definitely. Well, do you have a favourite Stranger Things moment? I like Hopper dancing. That's a good moment. People are fans of that moment.
Huge fan of the end of season 2, which I won't discuss in detail because spoilers.
Yeah.
But that gave me a little lump in my throat.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Let us know what your favourite Stranger Things moments are in the comments down below, or however you're watching this. Yeah, right, we'll crack on. I'm on to the last bag. This is very exciting. Okay, there we go. So 149. This is the buyer's house is a real house. The exterior is a real house in Atlanta, Georgia. The owners want to keep it secret, obviously, so they don't turn into the Goonies house. This is the first of the Stranger Things Netflix Lego sets. What other locations, if they were going to make any more Stranger Things Lego, what other locations could they do?
Perhaps
the lab.
The lab, yes, that would be
cool,
that's
yeah.
quite an extensive one. So a little segment of that. The school. That's
school, yeah.
The regular one.
In season 3, there's going to be there's a new mall. They've made a big thing out of that, the Starcourt Mall. So that could be, if you ever wanted to build an 80s Lego mall.
And who hasn't?
Exactly.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, we're on to the last minifig. There we go. Who have we got? Who's this one?
This is
This
the
character.
Demogorgon.
This charmer.
Yes, and he has a kind of jaunty pair of legs.
Okay. And he's got a face, he's got a head.
He sure does have a face, quite a face.
Ah, that's scary stuff.
It just wants to hug.
Okay. And also we have 11. So there she is. I mean, 11 only has one face. There we go. Just the one face, shaved head there, or you can pop on a nice wig. And she also comes with, of course, a favourite, everyone's favourite, Eggo waffles. There we go. So she holds that in her hand. What you can also do is she comes with a skirt, a fabric skirt. So you can make a Lego fabric skirt for her. Oh no, wig's come off.
Well, the wig goes with the skirt.
The wig goes with the skirt, yeah. So the iconic wig, apparently, which is an homage to E.T. in disguise. There we go, 11 in a skirt and the Demogorgon. Should we put them together? There we
yes, Nemesis.
Yep.
Always a hard one to buy.
Excellent.
His big face.
Oh, and her Eggo. Forgotten her Eggo.
Oh,
there you go. Eggo meet Lego.
Lego.
Lego Eggo, indeed. Okay, great. So we've built the house. We've built the upside down house. Now we need to put them together somehow.
Never, ever. I was
Don't
so
do that.
eager. let's not ever speak of this moment again.
All right, Stranger Things Lego. We've done it. We've built it. So this is the buyer's house and the upside down, supported by these trees and legs. So yeah, let's have a look at the features. So one of the things I noticed is you've got the cool Chevy Blazer. So that can roll around. You can drive that around yourself. Or this little bit sticking up in the garden here of the house it allows you to kind of like park the Chevy on the lawn. There we go. There we go, so that's like sturdily parked so that when you turn it upside down, it stays parked. So there you go, so you've got the Chevy Blazer parked up here, you've got Sheriff Hopper coming over and he's like, hey Joyce, how's it going? And she's like, where's my son? And you've got Will's bike. When you open the front door, you go through and you go inside. And you've got, we've got the living room.
The living
living room?
Yeah, and we've got the wheelbarrow poster that Joyce looks like she's making. We have the alphabet on the wall, and you can light that up. Lit beautifully.
Lit beautifully. There's some fairy lights kind of strung across, which kind of look cool. bit fiddly to build. That bit wasn't my most fun bit, but I quite like the light up sort of thing. Now what we can do is we can flip it over and go to, are you ready to go to the upside down?
Oh yes.
Uh-oh, I felt something go then. Something definitely went. These, around the front of the house, right, the porch supports, got to be a bit careful with them. Is that, I think it's gone. Oh no, I've broken the porch support. This is what it's like in the upside down. Shoddy workmanship. That's the main reason the upside down is such a terrible place. The construction work is awful, frankly. You just cannot get good handymen. It's also, so you've got Will, and he's like, oh no, I'm lost in another dimension. You've got the Demogorgon who's all like, you're in trouble now, Will. So again, you flip it round, and you've got like the mirror image. So we've got like upside down demonic versions of all the stuff.
It's all pretty grey and grim over here.
It's actually quite sturdy, isn't it? It's kind of gripped together by these pieces here, and there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's like 8 of them all the way around. So it actually grips together quite tightly, and these the tree legs are pretty sturdy. If we open this up and look in here again, there's also a couple of little treats in the attic. Yeah, is that a video camera? It looks like a video camera.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, it is the camcorder.
The camcorder, right. And then also here, there's a wizard's hat. Yeah. We're not quite sure what that's a reference to. I assume it's a Dungeons & Dragons thing. Have I forgotten a bit of Stranger Things? Feel free to tell us in the comments that we're idiots and we don't know anything about Stranger Things. But we think is that because of Will the Wise? I think it is. Yeah, excellent. Okay, cool. So that is the Stranger Things house. And of course you also have this cool little like presentation stand if you want to present your Lego to people with the gang and the logo and everything. So that's pretty cool.
We would be deeply remiss if we did not mention this missing poster here. It's for Barb.
Pour one out for Barb. Yeah, she's not in the set obviously because she's just not around, but there she is on the missing poster. There is some really nice detail in the the missing persons flyers for Will, the missing persons flyer for Barb. That's all really cool. Yeah, I love the boombox. I love the compass. I really like the police cruiser. I think that's awesome. Great. So that's the Stranger Things Lego set. When can we buy this, Sean?
We can buy this right now.
Absolutely. And Stranger Things Season 3 is coming soon. When can we see that?
Yes, that is coming on the 4th of July, so Americans have a pretty sweet holiday treat.
Absolutely. All right, well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and keep it CNET for loads more.